Hi, thank you for visiting our CCTV installation course. This course is designed to prepare you to hit the ground running, to work with HD, analog and IP CCTV systems. It gives you enough information on basics, on in and out of different types of devices that you should be able to go out there and start working on it. It's built for either absolute beginners or technicians, electricians who want just to expand their work into the CCTV field. We cover a lot of devices which are common, which are easy to learn, and through those devices you will understand how in general other devices will work, because obviously you have multitude of devices on the market, but those which we are using, which is mostly Hikvision, are kind of representatives of the entire industry. All the settings are very similar on other devices, and those actually which I'm using are probably the easiest to learn and gives you a great advantage when you go into the field, especially they are pretty common in European markets and other markets. So I wish you well, and I really encourage you to join that course, because this should really give you advantage in the work, and we will gladly serve you with our experience of over 20 years in that field. Thank you.